everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have my update for Nightmare on Panning Street. This was created by Val and Jaylon. They're going to be listed down below, along with all of the other PANtastic ladies that have joined in. This is a very Halloween project. I love it. It's all horror movies, and it is a year-long project, started on Halloween, and will go till Halloween of this year. Halloween last year it started, goes to Halloween of this year. There are 40 prompts, and I am attempting to get through all of them because I'm crazy and I like horror movies, so I mean it makes sense that I want to go through all of this. So let's get into this. I have some empties and I have some goals met, and I'm very happy to have some empties and some goals met. So that means some things are going to be rolling out, and no matter what, I always roll at least 2 more prompts in every single time. So I'm rolling in 2 this time because I don't want to overwhelm myself. There's a lot going on in my world right now, especially in my panning world. So let's get into the empties and goals met, all of my rollouts, starting with the very first one, the ring. An item you want to expose the ring on the pan. This is Tart Party. I don't know if you can see that right there. That's called a ring right there. I even asked Jaylon, I'm like, do you have to expose the entirety of the ring, or can it just be like part of it? And she said, just expose any part of the ring. So this is a rollout. I do have a feeling this will get put into a project later on in the year because it's a blush with pan on it. I'm probably going to want to finish it sometime this year. If I get through my other blushes, I think that's going to be seen again later in the year. Next one is The Exorcist, something that makes your head spin with delight. You know, I love my Not Your Mother's butter masks. This one, she's done. This is the Sicilian Blood Orange and Black Currant butter mask. This isn't my absolute favorite of the line. I like the matcha green tea and I think it's wild apple blossom in the green tub. That's my absolute favorite. This one is nice if your hair is not as like massive as mine. If you don't have like 10 bazillion tons of hair that is super, super dry and thick and coarse and crazy, and you have like a normal head of hair, this is probably really good for you. If you have any kind of dry hair, this stuff is going to be your friend. All right, that is empty. I can't get any more out of it banging on it, but next time I need to do a mask, I'm going to cut it open. There's like probably just the tiniest little bit in there, and I will add that in with my, I will put it on my hair and then add some more of like the matcha green tea mask on my head because, you know, I'm going to get every last speck out of that one. The Omen 666. It gives me creeps just to say that. Ugh. Use 6 pans in a palette 6 times. I chose a 6-pan palette, so it made it really easy. This is the Juvia's Place, the Nubian Glow. Thank you, Danny. I think of you every time I use this palette. That's what she looks like. You can see I did get some usage on some of those. Really enjoyed it. I used every single one 6 times. And like some of them, it really does look like I used it. So that makes me happy. That is going back in my collection. I really like the formula of that. And someday I will pan that, maybe. I don't know. It might just want to be one of those. I just use it when I use it. And because, you know, it's not exactly the color story that you want to wear every single day. I absolutely adore that palette. I love my oranges, but I don't know that I could wear it every single day like I would with like a Pan That palette. All right, moving on. The Shining. That is Twins, an item for which you have a backup. Avon Pore Reducer Mask. I do have another one of these. I enjoy this. It whenever like my skin is not being happy, it sucks all the ick out of it, and I really enjoy this one a whole lot. And I don't know if it's like the products that I'm using or just my routine has gotten so much better. My skin is so much happier in the last 6 months. I mean, it's been a progression, but I don't even need masks like this much anymore. I don't even get hormonal breakouts, which is weird. I get all the other hormonal stuff, but I don't get the hormonal breakouts. And I just think I'm just using really good skincare right now, and my routine is good, and I'm happy. I don't know how I'm going to use up my backup of that because I don't know if I even need it that much anymore. All right, moving on because I'm just too chatty today. Children of the Corn, a food-related item, whether it's the name, the shape, or the scent. I'm going to smell it. This is the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl Enhancing Smoothie. It just smells like pineapple to me. I love this. I miss it already. I miss it so much. I will repurchase this one, and I'm sad. I'm so sad that this one is gone. I love it. I'm pouty. I am pouty. All right. So let's get on to, that's my empties and my rollouts. Let's get on to the stuff that is continuing on. And then I will show you what I'm bringing in. So for the Conjuring, it's, you don't know what possessed you to buy this item. This is the LA Girl Pro Conceal Color Corrector in Peach. Peach is when you get really dark circles under your eyes. I almost never get that. I have to have like a week of really bad sleep to get that. I get yellowness, but very rare do I get the dark circles. So I'm using this the best of my ability, but she's going to take a long time. It was 13 grams. It's still 13 grams, even though I have used it a tiny little bit. A Quiet Place, a product that makes you speechless. Literally, because I keep my mouth shut when I am using this. It is the Exuviance Targeted Lip Filler. Kind of like a hydrating mask. I don't know how to explain it. It goes like around the outside of your lips, on your lips, and it's got hyaluronic acid serum in it, and it just makes your lips like fresh and happy. I don't know how else to explain it. You can see my lines right here. I was at pink, now I'm at blue. It's going to take a long time to use it. There's a tiny air bubble in there, but it's as close as I can get to where the line is. All right, Psycho, a product that makes you crazy. I love the product. I hate the application. This is the Lancome Clarifique Double Essence. It is so lovely. I absolutely love the product itself, but I can't be pouring stuff out. I have to put a little bit in a spray bottle. That's how I use it. I was up here, now I'm down here. It looks like it's going faster, but it's just because the bottle tapers. So yeah, it's going to be done by the next update. I'm fairly certain of it. All right, moving on to A Nightmare on Elm Street. It's a dupe for a product you dream about purchasing. I said that this is a dupe for me wishing that Benefit was cruelty-free. This is the Essence Make Me Brow, and this one's getting close. It went down a gram. It went from 8 grams to 7 grams, and I have to dip back in it a few times. I love the little brush on this thing. Wrong color, but I did correct that. And I think this could potentially be done by the next update. If it's not, it's going to be super close. But as much as I have to dip back into it, I think she's going to be done. All right, going to Amityville Horror. Wow, I can't words today. That is a purchase that haunts you because I didn't actually purchase it. They sent me the wrong thing. It's the Majesty Highlighter Palette. You can see I've used it. Let me see if I can bend it back. You can see in the white I've used that one the most. It's a little frosty for me. It's not my favorite, but I'm as pale as I'm going to get for the year, which isn't really that pale. So I'm trying to use the lighter one now. We'll see if I can make some good progress on that by the next update. Scream, an item that makes you scream with delight. It's upside down for a reason. This is the counterpart to the one that I'm done. This is the Style Milk, where this is the smoothie. I do really like this one for my hair, but much like I like this mask for my hair, I like the other one better. This one's nice, but this one's better for my hair type. This one is going to be better for someone that doesn't have as thick and coarse hair. I do really like it, but I'm not in love with it. So, you know, if I had to repurchase one, it's definitely going to be the smoothie. But I am right here. It was brand new when I brought it in, still had the seal. And I keep it upside down because it is very thick. And I actually store it upside down just so I don't have to like beat the heck out of it every time I want to use it. So I'm putting it right back up there so I don't knock it over. Let's see. The next one is, I feel like I missed one. Oh, I did. Paranormal Activity. It's an item that never seems to disappear. This is the Maybelline Color Drama in Stripped Down. It's the lip paint. This one has a big bubble in it, but I was at the black line, if you can even see that right there, and I'm now at the pink. But like if I squeeze it, you can feel that there's an air bubble in there. So that line is not an accurate representation of how much is left in there. It doesn't want to bend anymore because the twist in the packaging. So I don't know if it's going to be done by the next update, but I'm thinking within the next 2 updates, maybe. But it resides in my purse, so you never know. It could take longer. Last one. Alien, something that is one of a kind or an alien in your collection. This is the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk. I don't even know what it's supposed to be. An eye base, an eyeliner. What is it? Is it an eyeshadow? It's the only thing I have like it in my collection. You can see it probably needs to be sharpened, but it is what it is. And here's my lines. Where I was before and where I am now. That was brought in last update, I believe. So yeah, my goal is going to be to finish it. I don't know that I can do that by the time this project is up, but we're going to give it the old college try. So that is my rollouts, my rollovers, and I need to do my roll-ins. The next 2 in line, because I'm just going straight down the row, and that's my dog flippity flapping behind me. Jaws, a water themed item, whether it's the name of a shade, name of a product, packaging, etc. I have this, it's called Sea Spray. It's an essential oil blend. There is not a lot left in it, but I figure, you know, it's kind of a gimme product, so you know, yeah, I got a lot going on. I'm entitled to a gimme product every now and again. And then the next one and the last one I'm going to roll in this update is The Thing, an item that you're not sure how to use. This is it right here. This is the Natural Rapids Charcoal Clay Healing Mask. I mean, a mask sounds like it should be pretty self-explanatory. Make sure it doesn't spill out all over the place. But it's powder. It's weird. I don't, like, they say you can mix, like, water with it or vinegar, aloe. It's just weird. I don't know. I don't know about this one. If you've used a powder mask like this before, let me know how you used it. Because I have this one, and then I have one that's, like, 3 times the size that is bentonite clay. And I don't know how to use that one either. So if you have any suggestions, let me know down in the comments, because I want to get it done and used up, but I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing. I do know that I'm going to be wrapping this up. Definitely go check out Val and Jaylon. They're going to be down below along with everyone else that has joined in. And if you want to join in, we would love to have you. We have until Halloween of this year to get it all done. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.